First, the body styles. Like the A5, the A6 e-TRON is available in sedan and avant, the latter being Audi's first electric wagon versions, but whereas the A5 sedan is literally just called that, the A6 receives the sportback moniker usually reserved for its 5-door coupes. This is despite both featuring 5 doors and, ironically, the previous A5 getting the sportback tag. Breaking further norms is the fact that, like the Q4 e-TRON, the A6 e-TRON is offered in single-motor rear-wheel drive form. Even the performance model available at launch sends all 367 PS 270 kilowatts to the back, getting it from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.4 seconds on its way to a top speed of 210 km per hour. Want Quattro all-wheel drive? You'll have to spring for the rear-biased dual-motor S6 e-TRON, which produces 503 PS 370 kilowatts. This is boosted to 551 PS 405 kilowatts with launch control engaged, firing the car to 100 km per hour in 3.9 seconds and extending the top speed to 240 km per hour. All launch models come with a new PPE-specific 100 kWh battery with 180 prismatic cells which, combined with the extensive efficiency and aerodynamic optimization measures, we'll come to those later, delivers an astonishing WLTP range of up to 756 km for the A6 Sportback e-TRON and 720 km for the Avant. The S6 versions, meanwhile, achieve 675 km and 647 km respectively, which are still mighty impressive figures. Charging performance is also pretty good, thanks to the A6 e-TRON being fitted with an 800-volt electrical architecture. This enables the car to support up to 270 kilowatts of DC fast charging power, bringing the battery from 10 to 80% charge in 21 minutes and supplying the Sportback e-TRON performance with enough energy to travel an additional 310 kilometers in just 10 minutes. The A6 e-TRON also supports bank charging at 400-volt DC chargers, allowing up to 135 kilowatts by splitting the battery into two 400-volt banks and charging them in parallel. However, the car will only accept up to 11 kilowatts of AC charging from launch, with a 22 kilowatts option coming later. Numerous solutions have helped the A6 e-TRON achieve its segment-leading range figures, such as a high-performance battery cooling system, oil spray motor stator cooling and upgraded regenerative braking. The last one recuperates up to 220 kilowatts of kinetic energy under deceleration and is sufficient for around 95% of daily braking needs. 4 modes are selectable via the steering wheel paddles, from totally off for coasting to a full-on B mode that enables one-pedal driving. A revised brake-by-wire system also allows regenerative and friction braking to be blended for the first time.